Alright, welcome back everyone. Well, I did a thing. I replaced my mirror caps with OEM Euro style aluminum, brushed aluminum look mirror caps. So here's how to install them. What I did here was wrap the mirror in a towel so it doesn't scratch, or you could just remove the wiring. I think it's just easier just letting it hang. There are tabs inside here you have to remove, and then as you remove one each, you pop it off. Those are the tabs right there. Slide it back on. You line up the tabs down here, the lower ones, and then you slide the upper ones in the slots on the top. Alright, after a little bit of struggle getting those popped back in there and the tabs in there where they need to go, kind of a pain on this side, I don't know why, but it's in there now. I just got to put the mirror back on. Alright, this is post installation, but one of the videos that I showed on this accidentally deleted. So to remove the mirror, push in all the way to get it pushed out on the side here. You want to reach your fingers in there. My hands are a little stubby here, so it's hard to get all the way inside there, but you want to get in there and get as far in there as you can to pop that out. You don't want to be too far to this outside because you can snap your mirror. You want to get in there as far as you can and kind of get all over. Might take two hands and then pop it out. Alright, thank you for watching. Next video is going to be putting some Ed's Replica R style headlights on this bad dog.